When IT problems are clear but solutions aren't, frustration grows. Escalations pile up. Tickets loop endlessly. SLAs are missed. Change spirals into chaos. You already know where the pain is. You don't need another lengthy assessment. What you need is execution. That's where Pink Elephant South Africa steps in with the Fixer strategy. Our rapid response model fixes what matters most, fast. No theory, no delay, just targeted, high-impact execution. From diagnosis to delivery, Fixer gets to work immediately. We use your tools, embed with your teams, and stabilize operations without disruption. This isn't consulting as usual, it's execution that restores control where it's needed most. Whether it's restoring SLA performance, breaking incident bottlenecks, rebuilding change governance, strengthening problem management, streamlining releases, or activating knowledge that sticks. The Fixer doesn't reinvent, it repairs, it restores, it gets you back on track, fast. Pink Elephant South Africa, from strategy to impact, fixing what matters, fast.